us a child is born. His name is Jesus Christ the Lord.
Let heaven and nature sing.
Just like the prophets have foretold, He's here to make our hearts and souls.
Let heaven and nature sing.
When all the world was lost in sin, He came to bring goodwill to men.
Let heaven and nature sing.
He turned to darkness into light, and now we've come to testify.
Let heaven and nature sing. Like the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. We will lift our voice of praise, hallelujah to His name.
He left His home because of love. Emmanuel, His God with us.
Let heaven and nature sing.
Washed every stain, our past is gone, and now we join the heavenly song.
Let heaven and nature sing. Like the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. We will lift our voice of praise, hallelujah to His name. Let heaven and nature sing. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Let heaven and nature sing. Hail the heaven winds of peace, hail the Son of righteousness. Let heaven and nature sing. Come and worship, worship Christ the newborn King.
Let every tribe and tongue proclaim that He is Lord and He shall reign.
Let heaven and nature sing. Let heaven and nature